Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk some levels of resistance. In the very near term, the interesting pattern here that's taking place, so let me get this in a play, is you have this little downwards channel right here. Now, yes, I realize that from the big picture, that would be considered a bear flag, but you also have to give credit where credit's due in the sense of at least the price has finally started to go sideways here a little bit. Not perfectly sideways, but much different than this right here. Now, I realize this all means a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, and if you have traded for a while, then I know you've seen stocks that get absolutely hammered like this, and then they start to show some signs of potentially bottom out. And I'm not saying this thing reverses back up to 350, but some sort of, reversal and, at least a worthwhile bounce to the upside. That also is not illogical, and it's not, while not guaranteed, it's not like this is some sort of irrational thought that I'm having. Whereas if the price, or if the chart, I should say, just looked like this right now, and then I was saying, hey, it's looking like it's going to bounce, you would be totally justified to say, wait, what? Why would you say it's going to bounce? It's going straight down. But that's not the case right now. It has started to show that it can go sideways. So we'll see if the price can indeed, break up above and break out of that little channel and get the pattern breakout or not. In the event the price does break up through there, the key level of resistance that's going to need to be broken, that, if there is going to be any sort of worthwhile continuation on the bounce, then that level that needs to be broken is right up there at $2.45. So $2.45, that near-term level of resistance. The near term, or the near term, I should say, is that channel level right there. But yeah, if the price can break through there, then keep an eye on 245. As far as supports are concerned, you have the lower trend line down there. There's also seems to be some buyers around 235. But all in all, like I said, for those of you that have traded for a while, then you know exactly what I'm getting at here. Because the price has been beat down so quickly, that can produce some interesting movements with snapback type bounces. So we'll see if the price can try to generate one of these or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.